Alright, nerds.
Is it okay if I have
Disassembly.
that Pikachu one before
Disassembly begins now.
before one of these kids steal it? No? Bruh.
So let's see. So this is my third time disassembling this little PP man. And well, I'll get back to you once I do this. Fried Rice Warrior. You know the drill. Alright, keyboard covers off, guys.
The way everybody
So
has the school shoes.
Fried Rice Warrior.
Except me and Nimona.
Oh yeah, right. My sister's playing Pokemon.
Right, I'm Pikachu.
I think Scarlet. Yeah, okay, cool. For Gore, my little sister said her Pokemon named it Pikachu. Amazing. It's actually amazing. Alright, so, but this is Fried Rice Warrior here. Hey, if this video actually gains me some subs, or, this video actually gains me some subs, or even just a couple likes. Okay, yeah, no. I was thinking of doing face reveal, but I'll do that maybe when I have enough subscribers. As in, like, 1,000 subscribers. So, if you guys like this tech vlog I'm doing, don't forget, like and sub. Liking and subbing's free. No way. That's crazy. It is very crazy. I know that's probably your reaction right now, and if it isn't, I don't know. But to any of you who are subscribed to me and watching my videos, yes, this is my goofy ass setup. Goofy setup. Look at this goofy setup. This stuff looks like it came from Ohio. Ohio. Like, come on, man. What's up with the Ohio memes? Nah, this came from Germany. Hindenburg? Hindenburg. That song is copyrighted by Sabaton. I'm not going to sing that fully. That one line's gonna get me copyrighted. I know it. So I got the ZIF connector. Let's get this one out. Be very careful not to ruin this. Good thing I didn't past 2 times. If you haven't seen my how not to take apart a laptop video, definitely go ahead and watch that before you continue watching. Where'd that screw go? Oh, there it is. There's that. I'm gonna put into here. There's like, so underneath this battery, there's like a little aluminum there's like a foil flap there. That's what I'm gonna use. That's what I'm gonna install. Or yeah, all the screws are out. Okay, so here's how you take out the battery, guys. Normally you want to use 2 hands here, and yes, you will use 2 hands. I'm gonna squeeze this between my knees. Hang on, BRB. I'm gonna squeeze this. So it's so risky, but you want to lift it up and pull it away from the thing. Oh yeah, it's better if you disconnect both ZIF connectors to the across the battery. So that's number 1. Number 2's on the motherboard. And if you leave the ribbon cable stuck to it, you won't have to worry about a whatchamacallit. You won't have to worry about having to find that cable or risking it. So this actually is going to be almost the same to my how not to take apart a laptop video, so you want to see that? Go ahead. Make sure you just like, subscribe. I don't know. Where do I put the subscribe thingy here? If I hold it horizontally, maybe like up there. Look at my goofy ass. Look at my goofy workplace here. I had to use like some random foam mat. So yeah. Alright. time to get the motherboard off. See ya, nerds. Alright, got every screw off the motherboard. I hate doing this, and I hate getting these 3 connections back together when I put back that, because you can see the wide one and the small one. Wide one, small one for the white. Again, this is almost the exact same to my how not to take apart a laptop video. Just go watch that instead. Lego wrench, I choose you. I am not sponsored by Lego. So you just take that out carefully. Take this one out very carefully, since this isn't actually a ribbon. Ew, that sounded expensive. And again, we Lego wrench our way out of this. This is gonna take a while. Especially, you know what? Fine. I'll get done with this ZIF connector. And then this screw. Now I know I need to get that retaining screw loose. Just loose, not even off. Just loosen it up just a bit. That way when I pull off the motherboard, I can get this green board out. So, I'm gonna cut because I don't want to do 5-minute clips. 1 minute 30 clips. Remember to like and action. No, I said that way too many times. I don't want to be those cringy YouTubers. Yo, no way, hand reveal? Wait, I already did a hand reveal when I touched grass with a tankfish person. Alright. So,
why would you attempt to lie? You appear
this, the person who I watched made it look so easy to get this retaining screw out. It's actually really hard, so I'll update you guys when I get this thing out, because this is annoying as hell. Peace. Fried Rice Warrior here. I got it in. There's the old one. There's the new one. Now, time to put it all back together. It's go time.